2024 Integrity 380SX. This vessel has been equipped with the longer swim platform, measuring in at 1.2. There's also been included with a 12-volt tender lift on the back. AB tender with outboard. That tender lifter is electronic, so drops your tender into the water, pulls it out, no need for snap davits or anything like that. As you come down the side of the vessel, you'll notice it does have the walk around sides with a side opening gate. There's one of these on each side so you can get into the boat either side. Nice high rails on the vessel and a really nice bow area, which is perfect for bean bags. Your electronic anchor winch with foot controls and ladder to the roof. Plenty of room for solar. As you come back along the side, we'll lead into our cockpit area. Lovely teak laid flooring, plenty of seating installed. Got your two big hopper windows opening up and your sliding door down the bottom, giving really good inside-outside flow. This vessel is finished in the light oak with the teak and holly flooring. It feels very light and bright and vibrant. You got your TV lifter there with your TV, sink, microwave and twin fridges in this vessel. Upgraded to the twin Deluxe Helm chairs as well. At your helm station, you have your stereo, genset control, battery monitoring system, bow and stern thruster, and full Garmin suite. So you have plotter sounder and your autopilot. On the starboard side, you also have a sliding door. This gives you access to your walk around sides and really good visibility when docking the vessel. Moving downstairs in the vessel, you have two cabins, both doubles, forward master with hanging cupboard space on the starboard side and drawers underneath the bed, starboard midship double, and on the port side you have your bathroom. So full height shower with closing door. You have your sink and electric flush toilet running on fresh water. Moving back up in the vessel, you really get a feel for how light and bright and open it is. The great entertaining platform, perfect for summer.